Hey, Sean Mathis here. I'm the founder of Miles Through Time Automotive Museum. One of the things that we've done at the museum was get an old LaFrance fire truck, which is pretty cool. We raised funds for it, and we actually use it to raise funds for other charities as well. And one of the things that I wanted to do while the fire truck was just sitting at the museum outside where people can see it and enjoy it and all that kind of stuff was put an American flag on the truck. I'm a veteran myself. I like to represent the country. And so I went and I got just like a tailgating pole from Amazon, and it came with the flag and all that kind of stuff. And we actually have a flag that has the Miles Through Time logo on it as well. And so that is mounted onto the back of this old LaFrance fire truck. And it was really cool for a while, but the flag that came with that pole was absolute garbage. I don't think it lasted even 2 months, and it just started to completely fall apart. And I'm not at the museum on a daily basis, and so I don't keep perfect tabs on the condition of the flag, especially since it was so new. I mean, I really didn't even think about it. But one day, I'm at the museum, and I get a phone call from a lady who wants to tell me about how horrible the flag looks, and basically, she yelled at me on the phone. So rather than tell me, "Hey, your flag could be replaced," she wanted to berate me about it, and which is fine, whatever. I went out there and I was like, "Okay, sure enough, the ends were frayed." Now I've seen much worse flags than what our flag was, the condition that our flag was in, but ultimately it wasn't good. It didn't look good, right? So I took it down. The other flag that has our Master Time logo on it, it's still up there. It looks great, but ultimately, fire truck, it needs an American flag on there. And so I didn't want to go down the same route and get some Chinese made flag that isn't going to look right. The colors aren't going to look right. So I looked up a company that was American, and the flags were made in America. It's veterans are all a part of it. And I found this Allegiance flag company. And so I wound up ordering a flag for the fire truck to replace the flag at the museum that we lost within 2 months. So, and I actually folded that flag up, and it's still inside the fire truck. But we need a new flag. So I ordered new flags, and they showed up. And I say flags because I actually ordered one for myself at home as well. Because, again, it was a flag that it's not the best of quality, so I figured might as well order two. So I'm going to unbox this right in front of you. I haven't opened it yet, and we'll see what kind of quality these guys produce. This is nice. There's one flag. And here's the other flag. So each one of these flags was just a smaller one. I think they were $75 a piece. Being military, though, I did get 10% off. So these flags, I mean, they're definitely nicer than the Chinese one that came originally with the flagpole. All right, so it comes with Allegiance products, handcrafted in the USA. It's got an inspection card there. Note from our founders: we take great pride in our products and appreciate you instilling your trust that we will deliver only the best. We've made it our mission to create the highest quality flags and accessories available. Your support of our small business directly contributes to the resurgence of American textile manufacturing. You are helping create opportunities for folks that previously saw their jobs moved overseas. When you support Allegiance, you support our community and you become part of it as well. Welcome. We're always here for you and look forward to being in touch. Pretty cool, especially since Miles Through Time is in an old textile mill that's no longer being used. So you got a little sticker here. But the box is cool, flag is nice, and it's folded properly. We'll get it up at the museum. So follow us on social media, Miles Through Time, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We're everywhere. So you'll be able to see some photos and some other videos of that. Thanks.